Hello, if you want to open the practice arena in your FC24, all you have to do is just to scroll down to the Learn to Play, click on it, and here you can find the practice arena. So when you open it, here you can just click like escape button or click resume. We have to select this player, this ball, but you can also switch to the player that is outside outside this pitch, and you can press F to start the game, and you can just start playing. It looks a little bit terrible in my case because my controller is set up to the mouse, but here we can just play this practice arena. We can remove, of course, this player. We can also go for the practice match, and that's how we can do this on the FC24. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.